My name is Corey, and this is my husband, Demecho. And a couple of months ago, my husband was having he was having a lot of pain on his right hip. So we went to an orthopedic in Phoenix, and he had an x-ray taken. And they told him that he needed to have surgery. And because that decision is pretty, it's a big decision to make when you're thinking about, you know, he's a golfer, and he gave it some thought, and he told me one day, he says, I'm going to go down to this clinic and take a look to see what, you know, we can do. And as an alternative, it was his decision to do this. And so he came over here to RCT and decided to go ahead and give it a shot. And so it's been, ¿cuántos meses tienes?
6 meses.
It's been 6 months since he's been doing this therapy. And we're really happy because the pain has lessened, and he's been able to play, and he's been able to, you know, do his normal routine. And so it's been very good. Quisiera que dijeras algo.
Sí. Es que ahorita yo puedo jugar, antes no podía, cuando me empezó el dolor, no podía jugar a golf, es un problema. Y ahorita ya puedo jugar 18 hoyos.
So the translation to that is that before he was not able to play, and he was having, you know, he was having a lot of pain. And now, you know, he's been playing, and he's back on track, and yesterday he played 18 holes, and he's smiling again. ¿Y qué más?
También cuando me muevo, ahorita parece que no tengo nada, digo, se siente la mayoría que hizo, no sé si hizo la medicina o algo hizo.
He says, I feel that there has been a change, he says, because of now, he says, I have better movement. So he says the pain has lessened, and so he's able to move around and do his strokes, you know, in practicing his golf. And so before, it was very, very hard to look at this, you know, to be able to see when somebody's not walking, and, you know, you're looking at, you know, what you really, the invasive part of surgery. So we're happy right now that this has happened, and that we are being able to look at an alternative, and that it's made a difference for him in, you know, his life, our life.
Da cuando empecé el tratamiento,
since I started the treatment, I think that this has also helped, you know, with the blood pressure, because although I do take the medication, I think that this also helps for the arteries and the blood pressure, because I think it's, he says, I feel better. I have more controlled readings on my blood pressure. So I feel that this treatment is also a benefit to that.